technology a real mess? So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Technology has changed the way we work, live, and relax in a variety of ways. It has benefited society in numerous ways, including advancements in education, entertainment, communication, and health, allowing us to outperform the dreams of previous generations. Today's world is experiencing a rapid growth, which is being fueled by new technology. These technological advancements continue to have enormous potential and benefits, but they also have world changing implications. Around the world, technology is transforming and creating physical, social, and cultural behaviors. The more technology advances, the greater impact it has on the world around us and the people who inhabit it. While we owe a debt of gratitude to the brilliant minds who have gifted us with such innovations and inventions, it would be short sighted to view technology solely as a boon to humanity. It can often be a curse, having numerous visible and unseen effects on individuals, groups, and humanity as a whole. Here, the list of descriptions related to technology a real mess. Let's start. Number 9. Instant access to information makes us less self sufficient. We now have access to a world of information at our fingertips, and for that, thanks to the internet. While this is beneficial, there are some drawbacks as well. According to entrepreneur Beth Haggerty, it limits pure creative thought at times because we are developing habits to Google everything to quickly find an answer. The long term consequences of humanity becoming completely reliant on search engines and web browsers for information are unknown. But Matt Wallart, a former Bing behavioral scientist, told TechRadar he is concerned. Number 8. Young people are losing the ability to interact face to face. Another social skill that technology is eroding in is young people's ability to read body language and nuance in face to face interactions. This is because so much of their communication is done online rather than in person. According to Mark Berlin, a university professor of English and author of The Dumbest Generation, wrote an article for the Wall Street Journal how the digital age stupefies young Americans and endangers our future. He further wrote, we live in a culture where young people, outfitted with smartphones and laptops, are devoting hours every evening from age 10 onwards to messaging of one kind or another. Number 7. Relationships can be harmed by too much tech use. When it comes to communication, technology can have a negative impact on relationships. Misunderstandings are much more likely to occur when communicating via text or email. According to physician Alex Lickerman, take care in how you word every electronic message you send. Young people are losing their ability to interact in person. Number 6. Social media and screen time can be bad for mental health. Not only does technology harm our physical health, but it also harms our mental health as well. According to a national survey conducted by the University of Pittsburgh Center for Research on Media, Technology and Health, young adults who used 7 to 11 social media platforms were more than 3 times more likely to suffer from depression and anxiety than those who used 2 or fewer platforms. This association is strong enough that clinicians with depression and anxiety should consider asking their patients about multiple platform use and counseling them that this use may be related to their symptoms. 5. Technology is leading us to sedentary lifestyles. When we use devices for extended periods of time, we often do so while sitting, whether at a desk, on a couch, or in bed. According to the World Health Organization, sedentary lifestyles increase the risk of many conditions and diseases, including diabetes, cardiovascular disease, colon cancer, and obesity. Number 4, technology is addictive. Using technology is addictive, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to disconnect from it. In fact, according to psychologist Doreen Dogen Maggie, She argued that technology addiction should be recognized as a diagnosable disorder. If Americans spent 11 hours a day interacting with anything else, number three, insomnia can be another side effect of digital devices. Using your devices too close to bedtime can cause insomnia. According to the National Sleep Foundation, this is due to the short wavelength artificial blue light emitted by digital devices, which delays your body's internal clock and circadian rhythm and suppresses the release of melatonin, the sleep inducing hormone. The more electronic devices a person uses in the evening, the more difficult it is to fall or stay asleep. Before going to bed not only increases your alertness at a time when you should be getting sleeping, which delays your bedtime. Number two, your eyesight can also suffer from too much device usage. Overuse of digital devices can result in vision problems, headaches, difficulty concentrating. Number one, using mobile devices and computers is bad for our posture. Jumping rope necessitates fitness, concentration, and good footwork. The exercise works nearly every muscle in your body while increasing your heart rate faster than many other exercises. In fact, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention believes that vigorous exercises such as jumping rope are roughly twice as effective as moderate intensity activities. Walk up to 20 to 30 minute session to improve your jump rope endurance. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. Please give us a feedback about today's topic and leave a comment if you are interested. Also, if you have not already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the new updates. And in the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.